Have you ever looked at your paycheck and thought, I should have more money left than this? Maybe. You started the month with good intentions. You told yourself, this month, I'll finally save some money. But then, life happened. A dinner with friends, a few online purchases, a birthday gift, a coffee here, a takeaway meal there. Nothing seemed expensive on its own. But by the end of the month, your account balance told a different story. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. The truth is, most people don't lose control of their money because they're careless. They lose control because they don't have a plan. Money, without a destination, has a habit of disappearing. That's why, today, we're going to build something incredibly simple, something that can completely change the way you manage your money. Not next year, not next month. Starting today, we're going to build your very first budget. Now, before you stop watching because the word budget sounds boring, let me tell you something. A budget isn't about saying no to everything. It isn't about making life difficult. And it certainly isn't about tracking every single cent forever. A good budget does something much more powerful. It helps you decide where your money should go before it disappears. Think of it like planning a road trip. You wouldn't start driving without knowing your destination. Your money deserves the same kind of plan. Don't worry, you won't need complicated spreadsheets. You won't need advanced mathematics. And you don't need to be a financial expert. You simply need a few simple steps. So, let's begin. Step 1. Know your monthly income. Before you decide where your money should go, you need to know how much money actually comes in. Not your salary before taxes, not what you hope to earn, the amount that actually arrives in your bank account. If your income changes from month to month, don't worry. Look at the last 3 months. Calculate the average. That gives you a realistic starting point. Write that number down. Congratulations, you've already started your budget. Step 2. List your essential expenses. Now, write down the expenses you must pay every month. Things like rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, insurance, loan payments, and any other bills that keep your daily life running. Don't worry if you forget something. Your budget doesn't have to be perfect. It simply needs to be honest. Remember, awareness always comes before improvement. Step 3. Identify your flexible spending. Now, let's look at the expenses that are optional. Restaurants, coffee, streaming subscriptions, shopping, entertainment, hobbies. None of these are bad. The important thing is understanding how much they really cost. Many people discover that it's not one big purchase causing problems. It's dozens of small purchases made without thinking. $5 today, $20 tomorrow, another subscription next week. Little by little, those expenses grow. When you see them clearly, you can decide which ones truly add value to your life. Step 4. Pay yourself first. This may be the most important habit you'll ever build. Before spending money on unnecessary purchases, save something, even if it's only $20 or $50 or $100. The amount isn't what matters. The habit is. Don't wait until the end of the month to see if there's anything left, because for most people, there usually isn't. Instead, treat saving like any other bill. Pay yourself first. Your future self will thank you. Step 5. Make your budget balance. Now add everything together: your essential expenses, your flexible spending, and your savings. Compare that total with your monthly income. If you have money left over, excellent. You can save more, pay down debt faster, or work toward another financial goal. If your expenses are higher than your income, don't panic. That's exactly why you created this budget. Now you know. And once you know, you can begin making better decisions. Remember, a budget isn't something you create once and forget. Life changes, income changes, goals change. Your budget should grow with you. Review it every month, make small adjustments, and keep improving. Let's quickly bring everything together. Today, you built your first budget. First, know your monthly income. Second, list your essential expenses. Third, identify your flexible spending. Fourth, pay yourself first. And finally, make your budget balance. None of these steps require you to be perfect. They simply help you become intentional, because every dollar should have a purpose. Before you move on, I'd like to ask you to do one small thing. Take a piece of paper or open a simple notes app. Write down your monthly income, then list every bill you can think of. Don't worry if it's incomplete, just start, because every good budget begins with one simple decision: to become aware. And in our next lesson, we'll learn how to track your spending without feeling overwhelmed. You'll discover an easy system that helps you understand exactly where your money goes and why small daily decisions can make a surprisingly big difference. If today's lesson helped you, I hope you'll consider subscribing to Beginner's Personal Finance. Every week, we'll build another piece of your financial foundation. No confusing language, no unrealistic promises, just practical lessons designed to help you build confidence with money. Thank you for spending these minutes with me. I truly appreciate it. Until next time, keep learning, keep building, and keep moving forward. I'll see you in the next lesson.